on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Just got off of work and I came home to a new package that a friend actually hooked me up with, and I am so excited for it. I'm nervous for things like this. Sorry if I'm out of breath. It's been a long day. I'm nervous for this, but I'm excited. Let me show you what we got. We throwing this thing up in the air and we got a new exhaust. Pretty excited for it. I guess he said it's a PLM brand. Has the silencer in there, but we're gonna remove that, of course. I'm nervous. I hope it looks good. I hope it sounds good. But let's quit talking. Let's just get this oldest OEM one off, get this installed. You also have another package that came in today that we're gonna be installing. It's also for the rear end, but that's gonna be in the next video. But man, am I excited for that one as well. Thing underneath, it's gonna be these two bolts right here, and then you're gonna have a hanger back there, and then there should be two more, one there and on the other side as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it removed, and we're gonna start tossing this on. One thing I am gonna do, it's not a for sure, but I am thinking about it. If it's possible, I might have to relocate the hanger somehow. But I want to install a valved muffler right in there. And what that's going to do is, when I don't want to hear this, rather than throwing on a silencer, we just close the valved muffler. That way you still get the cool looks and everything, and you get the quietness just by hitting the button. And then when you want to open it up, you know, there you go. But we'll see how this sounds. But that is my plan though. Alrighty guys, so there it is. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a fan of this whole thing right here. The hangers, they barely met up, but they did. But I do not like this. I tightened the absolute crap out of it, and it still does move a little bit. So most likely, I will throw a little tack here, and then maybe one on the other side just to hold it. But it is on. I'm gonna wipe it down. And like I said, there's plenty of space. Actually, I don't think we will have to relocate the hangers. I don't think, but I do plan on putting a valved muffler right here. That way we can quiet it down and get it loud when we want. But there it is. I love the look. It's just what I wanted. It has poke out on it. Let's get it on the floor and get a better look. But man, is this rear end coming together. Man. Oh man, it's like a little baby RX-7. It's my baby RX-7. I know it's just a Miata, guys, but whoo-wee, I like it. It does not hang low. Let's get it started up. I got you guys set up the best that I can. Welding that piece up, just a few little tacks. I like it in two pieces. It's easier to install, to be honest, but I don't like how loose that it just freely just moves around, and that thing is cranked tight. There's no need for that. So I am going to be throwing in a few tacks, not at the moment, but let me get a few revs for you. Too much. I have neighbors that don't really like it entirely, but there it is, guys. I'll try to get more revs later on today or tomorrow, but hope you guys like it. All right guys, update on the exhaust. So as you guys remember, it was in two pieces. I went ahead and actually welded that. I have a little bit of splatter that could be cleaned up, but the welds actually aren't that bad at all. But got that all taken care of. As you guys can see, we do have a wing on the car now, so you guys are going to end up seeing that in a video, or maybe you already saw it, I don't know. But there it is. I can't really do any revs, at least in the moment, just because, like I said, my neighbors do get upset. But there it is, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I will end up making some exhaust videos, drive-bys and stuff, as soon as I can find somebody who can hold the camera for me. Otherwise, that's gonna do it for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that thumbs up, subscribe, and I hope to catch you on the next one. A lot more to come.